Hey there, Cham here of InMotion.press, and today I'm gonna make my own VideoPal review. And VideoPal is a web app that you can use to create some video overlays that you can add in your pages and posts. And as you can see, here are some of the projects that I already tested earlier, and then here are the pages where I added those video overlays. And as you can see, here's a sample one for a sign up page or a squeeze page, and as you can see, the talking head video is just added there in the corner. And of course, I just paused this video so it's not playing, but what happens here is that when you visit this page, this video will autoplay, although you can set that however you want within the app as well. And here's one for a store or something. I don't have a real store, so I just created this sample one. So let's say, for example, I'm selling this product and I have some information in this page, and this is my store. I can add this talking head right here, and then as you can see, there's even a buy now button in this talking head. Here's another one, and as you can see, this is a cartoon talking head, and this works great for products like this one. So for example, I'm selling this animated icons, or I'm giving it as a bonus, then I can add a video overlay like this one. And here's a final example, and this is something that I uploaded as my own video, because another good thing in VideoPal is that you can also upload your own video, but you have to shoot on a green screen background, and then there's a feature inside the app where you can just remove that green background and you can use your own video in your pages as well. Alright, so let me now demonstrate to you on how you can use this app. So for you to start, all you have to do is click this one, new project. So as you can see, I have choices right here. I can use 2D animated pals, 3D animated pals, human pals, and then you can also upload your own video. And as you can see, this is the one that I just uploaded earlier. And for now, let me start by using an animated pal. And for now, let's use a 3D one. And as you can see, here are some of my choices. And let me try this one, and then just click next. And as you can see here, I can use text to speech for my audio. I can even choose any language. There we go. I can use a voice, a ready-made voice from here. I can use female voice as well as a male voice. And you can always write your own script, although if you don't have one, there are also ready-made scripts from here. For example, offer discount. Although if you want, you can upload your own audio file, or you can make your own voiceover. But for this one, let me just use that. And of course, you can just click play to hear how does it sound. But for now, let me just click next. And here I have the option to choose a button. So let's say, for example, if I want to use this VideoPal to sell something, I can use a button. I can add a button text like buy now or something. And then I can just add the button link here. I can also choose a button color and the button text color, and I can even add a countdown timer. And if I want, I can add some delay if I don't want the VideoPal to appear right away, although for now I'm not gonna do that. Or if I wanted to use this for my sign up form, I can use one of these forms. And for now, they have these 3 email platforms that you can integrate, which are Aweber, GetResponse, or SendLane. For now, let me just use a button, and then all I have to do is click next. And again, I have some playback options here. For now, let me just click autoplay after loading, and maybe choose this one as well, close after playing. And again, if I want some delay, I can use the timer right here, but let me just choose immediately. I can also choose the position of the button. Let me just leave it as bottom right. And then all I have to do is click create, and then it will just work on the video, and I just have to wait for a bit. Alright, so as you can see, the VideoPal is already processed, and I can name this with anything. And maybe let's name this cartoon demo. And then here, all I have to do is add the URL of the page where I want to embed this VideoPal. And then here, this is now the embed code that I can just copy and paste in my page. So as you can see, that's how easy it is to create a VideoPal. And let me just save this one. So right now, let me show you as well on how to create a VideoPal using human pals. So let me just click this one, new project, and as you can see, I already chose human pals, and let's use this one for example. Just click it and then click next. And as you can see, because we chose a human pal, we cannot use text to speech. And of course, because those human pals already have ready-made audio with them. And so all I have to do then is click next. And then here, once again, I can choose if I wanted to add a button, or I can choose none, so that I'll not add any button at all. And that's what I exactly did here. As you can see, I did not add any button because in this particular example, I already have this quiz page where they can just enter their name and email. And then here's this big button that they can just click after they do that. So in this case, a button right here is not necessary. So let's do that for this example as well. So let's just click next. And again, like how I showed you earlier, you have these options. For now, let me just leave it as it is. Let me just click create. And again, I can just add a project name in here. I can say human demo. And then here I can add the URL of the page where I wanna place this VideoPal. And again, I can just copy this embed code and embed it in a page where I want that human pal to appear. Click save for now. And today I want to show you one last thing, which is on how to use your own video as your VideoPal. So let's create a new project once again, and then just click my videos for you to upload your own video. And as you can see here, it says that you can only upload videos that are 2 minutes or less in length. Aside from that, you have to shoot your video on a green screen background. And I don't have my own green screen background at the moment, but I have this short green screen video clip that I can use. So let me just go ahead and get that. Click this one and just choose the green screen video that I want to use. So here's something that I want to use for this demo. So let me just click open and then just wait for the file to be uploaded. So once that's uploaded, all I have to do is click this one, advanced green screen. Alright, and then as you can see here below, you can play around with the video position. You can adjust the similarity or blend until you'll be able to clean the green screen background. You just have to spend some time to find the place where you can make this as clean as possible. Once you're done, just click save, and then all you have to do is click next. Just choose audio from video, click next, and then here you just have the same options that I showed you earlier. You can add a button or no button at all. It's really up to you. And then just click next. And again, the same option like earlier. Let me just click create. And then here, all you have to do is add your project name. So let's name this own video demo. And then just add the URL of the page where you want to embed this video. Again, just copy this embed code and place it in your page. So once you're happy with everything, all you have to do is click save. So as you can see, that's how easy it is to create video pals that you can add in your websites. All the projects that you're creating are seen in this tab, My Projects. And you can always go ahead and edit each of these projects if you wanted to by clicking this edit and maybe change the button or add a button or something, or do whatever editing that you might want to do. Alright, so now let me go ahead and show you how you can use this for your campaigns. So as you can see, here are the test pages that I created, and I'll just go ahead and place the links below this video so that you can go ahead and check them out. So if you're using this for a landing page or a squeeze page like this one, where you already have this big button and a small form, what I recommend you to do is that you don't have to add any button here, because as you can see, you already have a big button there. So in this case, a button in your VideoPal is not necessary at all. And that's the reason why, as you can see here, this VideoPal does not have any button. But for this one, because it's a store and I'm selling a product in this particular page, it's then recommended that you will use a button. As you can see, that's what I did here. And then for this one, because this is an animated icon product or something, or a bonus, as you can see, what I used is a cartoon VideoPal. And cartoons are great, but I don't recommend you to use cartoons for pages like this or like this one, because sometimes it makes your page look not so professional, because you have this professional landing page, a simple one, and then all of a sudden you see a cartoon character popping up, and for me that doesn't look very good at all. So it's not a very good way to design your pages when you're using cartoon character in pages like this. Or if you have some professionally designed page with great graphics and images, what I highly recommend is you rather use a human VideoPal. So only use cartoons if your product is something like this, animated icons or maybe cartoon graphics, or anything that's related to cartoons. Or if your product is something for kids, maybe in those cases a cartoon VideoPal can be used. But as you can see here, I also used my own video, and this is what I highly recommend you to do, because sometimes even if we have this human pal that you can use, the problem with this is that they already have those spills and their lines are already made. So if what they said is not something that's applicable to your page, then that will not work. So what I highly recommend you instead to do is rather use your own video. Just shoot a short video on a green screen background, because if you will use your own video, you can customize your spiel or whatever things that you wanted to say, and you can just say some custom lines that works well for whatever offer that you are doing. Aside from that, if you're using your own video, you can connect better with your audiences. And if they see that the one who is talking in your page is you yourself, they can trust you more and they can believe in the things that you are saying, because they can see that the person on that page is not just an actor, it's really you, and so they will be able to connect better with you. I can see that VideoPal is a powerful app, and you have this awesome ready-made human actors as well as cartoon characters that you can use, and probably you can use them as well. But still, if you can, I highly recommend that you rather use your own video, and that's what I really like about this app, because it allows you to do that. Because as I always say in my video trainings, I always recommend to use your own video, create your own video, and have that real human connection with your audiences. And so that's what I highly recommend you to do in this app as well. Alright, so as you can see, this is a great app that you can use for your pages, and another way to make your pages look really great and for your pages to stand out from the crowd and get more the attention of people who will be visiting your pages and posts. So if you find this app useful and you want to have it as well, you can grab this product from my link, because if you do, I have an awesome bonus for you. And my bonus is a collection of scripts, of spiels or lines that you can use for your own video, because as I said earlier, I highly recommend that you make your own video to use for this one. And so that's my bonus for you, because chances are if you will be creating your own video, you don't know what to say in your video. So I'll be giving you some sample scripts that you can just use as your lines or your spiels in your own video to be used as your VideoPal. Alright, so yep, I highly recommend this product. It's a brand new way to attract more attention and gain more leads and sales to your business. Thanks a lot for watching my VideoPal review, and I look forward to seeing you using VideoPal as well. So thanks a lot for watching. My name is Chem, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.